Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about existential and universal quantifiers. So here is the definition. The existential quantifier represented by this symbol, there exist, means that there must be exist, is used in formulae that must be true for at least one instance, such that staff and S is the tuple, and you know that in relational calculus this is the symbol for and there must be exist B, at least one B branch B, and B dot branch number is equal to S dot branch number, and B dot city is equal to Multan. There are two quantifiers we can use with formulae to tell how many instances the predicate applies to. This means there exists a branch tuple that has the same branch number as the branch number of the current staff tuple S, and is located in Multan, where Multan is the city name. This means we are going to select B from branch and S from staff table. So select staff member where branch and equal to the staff and branch city is equal to Multan. Means we are going to select staff, our employees, from a branch Multan. So if you want to search records or filter record that there must be an employee which is from Multan and the branch located in Multan, so or working in Multan, so the working area or the branch should be in Multan and he or she worked in Multan. So by using existential quantifier we can select there exist, and there exist is apply on few tuples or few records. Now the second one is that the universal quantifier. The universal quantifier, represented by this symbol for all, is used in statements about every instance. You know that instance is the tuple or row in any DBMS, such as we are going to apply universal quantifier on B, which means B is a tuple attribute or tuple variable. You can say that B dot city. So B is the tuple and dot city is the column where the value of B or city not equal to Multan, and we are going to select all the record except the Multan records from employees do not selected with the city Multan. Tuple variables that are qualified by like universal quantifier or like existential quantifier are called bound variables. Otherwise the tuple variables are called free variables, like S is the free variable and B is the bound variable. The only free variable is in a relational calculus expression should be those on the left side of the bar, which is such that operator. So now we are going toward implementation of this lecture. Please open XAMPP server for this purpose. Select database, and the table is same as in previous lecture. Columns names are ID, name, salary and city. So we are going to apply the universal operator for all, which is select all from employees where city not equal to Multan. Execute the statement, and only Lahore record is selected with the city Lahore. Only one record is selected with the city Lahore. And the existential, we are going to create new table for applying existential quantifier. So create a new table with the name of branch. Write the table name here, branch, and here is the ID, branch ID, which is integer, and auto increment with the length of 11. And here is the branch name, branch city, which is varchar, also varchar with 30 length, with 30, and save it. Insert a record into branch table. Select branch table and go to insertion section. Branch name, main branch ABC, and city, branch city is Multan. Save the record. Insert another record into the branch table, and main branch Lahore and city is Lahore. Insert the record and go to the employee table. Select structure tab, and after that add another column by clicking here. Click on go button, and branch ID is integer 11, and save it. And now change it with 1, this employee from branch 2, and this employee is also from branch 2. So now we are going toward SQL query. We are going to select employee branch where branch is equal to Multan. So by using inner join we can perform this task. Select all from employee, inner join with branch on branch dot id is equal to employee dot branch id, where branch dot city is equal to Multan. So we are going to select all the columns from employee and branch table using inner join on branch id is equal to employee dot branch id, where branch dot city is equal to Multan. So execute the query. only one record that is selected, which is Fahim Irfan, ID 1, salary 50,000, and look at here, the branch dot city is equal to Multan. And you can also select like this, Lahore, and execute the query, and two records are selected with the Lahore city. So we can say that these are the two employees worked in Lahore branch, main branch Lahore. So thank you for watching this video.